This is SMBF in Parañaque. Ano yung mga meron? So, I'm doing some ocular visits. Actually, SM has rebranded itself. And over the past few years, mas maganda na yung mga store designs nila. And they really have invited premium brands here. So, ito yung event center nila. Meron na rin silang Uniqlo and every now and then may mga bazaar na ganito. The problem is, well, maganda siya, but any store naman can always be improved. Maganda siya, maluwang. It's actually compact and halos lahat ng kailangan mo nandito na. But there's Watsons and meron na siyang mga our home. No, yung floor area niya. Ito yung activity center niya. Roadhouse. Yan. Diba? Sarap siya. Ngayon.